Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make that $250 every single day from swing trading in the stock market. We're going to be talking about tips and tricks and strategies you guys can use to start making money consistently. That is the key word, consistently. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's awesome. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. There's everything you guys need to become a swing trader. How to find those undervalued plays. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 50% off by using code LEARN. I'm only going to do that for one more spot. So if you're interested, check it out down below. Use that code. Use code LEARN, all caps. Click that link, sign up, and guys, let's jump into this. So swing trading. What is it? So swing trading, for those of you that don't know what it is and you just naturally clicked on this video, swing trading is when you buy a stock. I swing trade stocks. You can swing trade pretty much almost any asset, but I swing trade stocks. You buy a position, you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. On average, I hold my swing trades for about 6 to 9 days. And what we look for is a stock that is on some sort of support line with a lot of indicators in our favor. So we're going to show you guys here an example of a stock that we're recently in on. We're up over about $1,000 on this position, and the thought process behind it is very, very simple. I love the expression make it simple, stupid, MISS. Don't overcomplicate your trades. Base hits over home runs. And guys, if you are just starting out, don't even fund an account yet. I would recommend you guys start paper trading with a site like Moomoo, which is the broker I use. Start paper trading. After you do that, then start small, growing a small account. It's a lot easier. It's not going to be as emotionally stressful on you when you start doing it that way. So let's talk about here a strategy that I love here. So this is a stock here, ticker symbol DX. So for my approach here, it's very simple. I love a stock on an upward trend that has sold off down to some level of support. So support is where we get natural tendencies of getting buying pressure. So looking at this stock, what do we notice here about this trend line? It gets great buying pressure every single time. So we took a nice trade here near and around this 1206 mark, right on that trend line, right? So trend lines act as support. Is that the only support that you guys can use? No, you can use moving average lines. So moving average lines, like the EMA lines, act as support. They also act as resistance. When the stock falls below them, you can see it kind of consolidates and it hits them and has a harder time breaking above them. Now, so in an ideal situation, you want to find a stock that has that trend line in our direction and a moving average line. That's exactly what we saw here. The stock sold off here, hit that 90-day moving average line, and has been rallying its way up ever since. Now, why did we enter this position? Did we only look at the support lines? No, we also looked at an indicator down here called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This tracks momentum, and you guys can see here at the time of purchase, the RSI was trading for about a 36, which, yes, in most circumstances, you want to get in on a position anything under about a 30 to a 35. But history tends to repeat itself. So what I always do is I look back, okay, the last time that this was trading for a 36 was back in here where we had a good move. Previous to that was in here where we had that good move. And then previous, obviously. So you want to look back at previous history because it tends to repeat itself. So now the thought process is very simple. So we entered here on the hourly. So before I ever take a trade, I always look at the hourly. And the hourly, as you guys can see, was selling off like crazy. Boom, boom, boom. So we got in on that breakout, that first buying pressure, that first big green candlestick to break up and hold above that trend line. Now, entering here for the possible reversal would give a nice risk and reward because we could enter here, set our stop loss about 2% from the current price. You want to give it a little wiggle room where if it does dip down a little bit, you're not going to get stopped out, but you do want to have a stop loss in place to ensure good risk management. And then you also want to have a very, very realistic target. And that's exactly what we have all the way up here. And the stock actually hit it this morning. I do think we'll probably get some more buying pressure back up there here later this afternoon. Now, this gives a risk and reward of about 3.66. So risking $1 to make $3.66. So looking at this here on our trading journal, we're up over $1,020, which is about a 7% return. So for me, swing trading, it's not about these massive 30% moves, 100% moves that grow an account. No, it's those 1, 2, 3% returns. We had a great trade, with the 7% return to, over this past week here. But swing trading, you got to start small. You got to focus on those base hits, and home runs will follow. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, how to find undervalued plays, our approach, everything, check out our school. You won't regret it. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. Like I said, we have private live streams, a group chat, quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need to get started. Trading is not an easy thing. It's not a get rich quick. You got to put in the time. You got to get that education, and this is just a way to jumpstart that. Check it out down below. You guys can use code LEARN, 50% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.